Hello everyone! So today I'm gonna tackle about on how to convert degree measures to region measures and vice versa. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button below and give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell to keep updated from our upcoming videos. But before going to the main topic, let's first talk about what really is the deal with regions. Most of you are used to thinking of a circle in terms of degrees. 360 degrees is the whole circle. 180 degrees is half the circle, etc., etc. Well, region measure is just a different way of talking about the circle. Region measure is just a different unit of measure. Think about what the word region sounds like. Well, it sounds like a radius, right? It turns out that a region has a close relationship to the radius of a circle. Then let's talk about what really is region now. A region is the measure of an angle that, when drawn as a central angle of a circle, intercepts an arc whose length is equal to the length of the radius of the circle. This definition is much easier understood by looking at the demonstration given later. The illustration beside is an animation of one region. Notice how the length of one region stretches out to a portion of the circle. That portion is one region of the circle. There is a simple formula to convert regions to degrees. 1 pi region is equals to 180 degrees. Therefore, you can easily convert from one unit of measure to the other. We have here the general formula for converting from degrees to regions. It is just to simply multiply the number of degrees by pi over 180. So let's have some examples. We have a given 325 degrees. 325 degrees, if you multiply it by pi over 180, you will get 325 pi over 180. And if you want to simplify it, and the final answer would be 65 pi over 36. Next, we have 80 degrees as a given. 80 degrees times pi over 180, you will get 80 pi over 180. And the final answer would be 4 pi over 9. That were some examples of how to convert degree measure to region measure. Then we'll have the vice versa. Let's now learn in how to convert region measure to degree measure. By converting region measure to degree measure, we have the general formula for it, and it is just to simply multiply the number of degree by 180 over pi. Let's have some example right away. We have a given negative 4 pi over 3, and if you multiply it by 180 over pi, you will get negative 70 pi over 3 pi. You have to cancel both pi's, then you will get the final answer, which is negative 240. Next, let's have a given negative 3 pi over 2. If you multiply negative 3 pi over 2 by 180 over pi, you will get negative 540 pi over 2 pi. And again, you have to cancel both pi's, and the final answer would be negative 270. We've given some examples, and if you have any concerns, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll be willing to help you. And for some information, what's the deal with pi regions versus regions? Let's rephrase the question as follows. Is there any difference between 5 regions and 5 pi regions? Well, let's figure out the answer by converting 5 regions to degrees and 5 pi regions to degrees. If we end up with the same number, then 5 regions and 5 pi regions are the same. Now let's have 5 regions. 5 times 180 over pi would be 900 over pi. Then let's have 5 pi regions. 5 pi times 180 over pi would be 900 pi over pi. Since both the numerator and denominator have pi's, you have to cancel both pi's and you will get exactly 900. Yes, there is a difference. Remember that pi is a number approximately 3.1415, so the difference between 5 and 5 pi is obvious. There is no difference when we put the word radian in the phrase. 5 pi radians is pi times larger than 5 radians. 5 pi radians is 3.1415 times larger than 5 radians. We tackled about how to convert degree measure to radian measure and vice versa. In this short video, we hope that you learned. Thank you for listening. We hope to see you next time.